Hello again, everybody. My name is Greg Anderson, and this is the Good Timekeeping Show with Greg Anderson. Today I want to talk about an interesting concept called time travel. Now, most of you, if you've ever thought much about time travel, you were probably watching a bad science fiction movie. I think time travel is sometimes a really awkward crutch that they use to drive some of these sci-fi stories. Notwithstanding, there are some good time travel stories, but let's face it, time travel, as far as we know, is not real. Because if it were real, I think we would be talking to a lot of time travelers right now. So what can I say about time travel? Okay, the concept of time travel, though, let's think about this, would be, let's say if I'm a time traveler, that means that for me, time is running at a different speed than it is for people around me, up to and including traveling in reverse speed. So my time could be running slower, faster, even in reverse, and that would make me a time traveler. Okay, are we tracking so far? So what I've decided to do is maybe to simulate time travel with some videos. So I've decided to make a series of time travel videos where we portray, using the camera, that time is running faster or slower or even in reverse, and the main reason for doing this is it looks cool. So I hope you will enjoy some of my time travel videos. Of course, you're watching me right now, and from my perspective, what you're watching, is you're in the future. Okay, so are you a time traveler, or am I a time traveler? I don't know, because to you this is like it's happening right now. You're watching and hearing me right now, but to me this happened a while ago. So. Whoa. All right, so that's kind of my introduction. If you see some of my time-lapse, time travel, fun with time videos, just because they look kind of fun to watch, that's what it's all about. Oh, but hang on just a second. I think you might be a time traveler. See if this has ever happened to you. You're feeling kind of tired. You lie down, you close your eyes, and a moment later, you open your eyes, get back up, and according to the rest of the world around you, several hours have passed. But for you, it was just a moment. I think you might actually be a time traveler. All right. Well, if you enjoy traveling through time, I hope you will enjoy some time travel videos. So as you look, upcoming, I'll make a playlist, and it will be the Good Timekeeping Show presents time travel videos. Mostly because they're just kind of fun to watch. So I hope you'll watch for those, and I will see you later or sooner, or I don't know. Time is getting kind of... So please stay tuned as the Good Timekeeping Show presents time travel videos.